Hi everybody, this is Lisa from How to Zazzle. Today I'm going to show you, as a seller, how to make a template custom t-shirt on Zazzle. So say somebody wants to add a sports team logo or add their own text or add a picture of their grandchild or whatever they might want to add to their shirt. I'm going to help you make a template t-shirt that somebody can go and customize easily. So go to Zazzle.com and then click up here on the three lines. Go to create your own and then click on t-shirts. I'm just going to click the most basic t-shirt here. Over here on this side you can pick out different shirts if you want. There's a lot of different choices, but we'll just go with the easiest one or the most basic one today. And over here you can see the different views of the t-shirts. So anyway, go to add image. Okay, so like just scroll until you find a picture that you want to upload. Now to make it so the customer can swap this picture out for their own, you're going to go over here to make this a template object. Click on that and then write in here something so the customer knows that they can change their photo there. So I'm also going to put a frame around this. You do not have to do this if you don't want. But I'm going to make this all black. Then I'm going to move it to the back up here. And then I'm going to add some text. So the text I'm just going to put number 1 grandma. So you can put whatever you want. Best grandma ever. I love being a grandma. You can, maybe I'm going to change this, I think. I'm going to put I love being grandma. Or you can put being Mimi, being Nana, whatever you want to put. So I'm also going to make this text so that the customer can change it if they want to, because they might have something personal they want to, put on there. I love being grandma. So edit text. So I'm just going to put edit so that the person knows that they can change the text. So make sure that is centered. Make sure everything's centered. And then that's it. So now I'm going to click on, oh, and also if you want to like filter the picture, you can go over here to filter and put like a black and white photo or, whatever you want to change. I'm just going to leave it without a filter. Okay, then go to done. So now it says, I love being grandma. The picture looks a little bit big, so I'm going to go back in here and I'm just going to shrink it down just a little tiny bit. You can fool around with that until you like how it looks. Okay, so now when a customer clicks on your link, they're going to be able to click personalize this template and they'll be able to change out the picture and the text. So now all you do is you go to sell it. And then this is the page where you fill in all the information. So I'm going to put the title in, custom photo and text shirt for grandmas. Then I'm going to put the department, clothing. Okay, click that. And then the description. Add your favorite picture. So since we made that text editable, the shirt can be changed to grandma or aunt or mom or whatever. So this shows you a picture of your view. If somehow you got the view messed up where it's showing like the back of the t-shirt or whatever, you can change the options of the view right here by clicking on that. So events, I'm not really going to put an event on that one. For recipient, I'm going to put for grandmas. In store category, this is going to go in time for the holidays, and then you just pick a category. I don't have it in here yet, but I'm gonna, or wait, maybe I do. Do I have new baby in here? Oh, new baby boy. I'm going to click out new baby boy and just change that to new baby in a minute. But anyway, I'm just going to put it there for now. And then tags. Think of how people would find your shirt. And then put those in for keywords or tags. And you can add up to 10 tags, so make sure you use them all. Okay, so then it's rated G. Royalty is set at 10%, and then you click on I have the right to publish this. That means you're not using anything copyrighted. And that's it. So now you can go right here and click to see your product and what it's going to look like. And there it is. I love being grandma. So like I said, now a customer, when they find your store, they can just click right here and personalize this template. And now they can change the text and the photo out. So make sure that you go down here to social media, that you pin everything and tweet everything and Facebook everything, and get your product out there. So anyway, that's about it. I hope that this helped you guys, and if you have any questions, post them below and I'll try to answer them for you. All right, you guys all have a great day, and I'll put the link to the shirt below in the description. Thanks. Bye-bye.